Sci-Curious ID presents. What if you could travel close to the speed of light? Would time slow down, space shrink, or would you simply vanish into a blur? Today, we explore what really happens when you approach the universe's ultimate speed limit.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is Sci-Curious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
In 1905, Albert Einstein's special theory of relativity revolutionized our understanding. He revealed that time and space are not fixed, but are interwoven into a single fabric called spacetime, which bends and twists based on motion. As you approach light speed, reality itself begins to warp. Time slows, space contracts, and energy behaves in ways that defy our everyday experience. Let's start with time dilation. To an observer on Earth, a clock on your spaceship ticks slower as you accelerate. Yet, for you aboard the ship, everything feels perfectly normal. At 90% of light speed, your time runs at about half the Earth's rate. At 99.9%, 1 second for you could equal 22 seconds on Earth. At 99.999%, an hour for you might mean decades passed back home. This isn't science fiction, it's been measured. Astronauts on the International Space Station experience microseconds of time dilation, and GPS satellites must correct for this effect to stay accurate. Next comes length contraction. From your perspective, the universe itself squashes in the direction you're traveling. The faster you go, the shorter distances become. At 99.99% of light speed, the nearest star system, Alpha Centauri, would appear only a few weeks away, even though it's 4.3 light years from Earth. Then there's the relativistic Doppler effect. Light waves ahead of you compress into blue, while those behind you stretch into red. The universe funnels forward into a glowing corridor. Fun fact, you can never actually reach light speed. As you get closer, your mass, or more precisely, your relativistic energy, increases dramatically. It takes more and more energy to accelerate. At light speed, it would require infinite energy, which even the entire universe doesn't have to give. Photons, the particles of light, are unique because they have no rest mass. That's why they can travel at light speed forever. You, however, are made of matter. You can get close, but never all the way. And here's the real mind bender. From your perspective, you never feel anything strange. Your clocks tick normally, your coffee still tastes the same. But when you return, centuries may have passed on Earth. You've effectively time traveled forward, not backward. Traveling near light speed bends space and time into new shapes. You're not just moving faster, you're moving differently, sliding along a tilted axis of reality where time and distance lose their usual meaning. So, what happens if you travel near light speed? You don't just outrun everything else, you step outside of normal time itself. Space compresses, clocks slow, and light becomes your constant companion. Curious for more? Subscribe and stay curious with Sci-Curious ID.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been Sci-Curious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.